Hi guys, if you have a Chevy Camaro and you're experiencing some kind of electrical issues in the car, I can give you an advice what to do first. So I personally had issues with the buttons on my steering wheel right here. So this buttons wasn't worked, and then the volume did not work. The channel changing buttons for the radio did not work. So look what I found, guys. Fuse box. The thing is, the fuse box located on the bottom of the floor of the trunk. You see right here. It's very bottom. And if there's a possibility to water goes inside the trunk, same as I had. Look, there's a big water damage to the fuse box. That was an issue. That was the issue. So I have replaced the fuse box. There's 3 bolts, number 10. Make sure take the battery connection first right here, and then replace the fuse box. It's fairly easy. Make sure before replacing the fuse box you will need to spray connections, because the connections has some corrosion as well. Use this stuff. So just an advice, if you have some electrical issues on Chevy Camaro, so the fuse box is on the floor of the trunk, there's a possibility the water damage to your fuse box. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe and comment. Thank you, and see you in the next video.